I'm Lara Grayson, Senior Fashion Content Creator at Fabulous Magazine. I'm loving the double denim, just like another take on the utility trends.
And I'm Vanessa Rose Blair, and I'm a lifestyle and fashion content creator. Normally, I've got a good gut feeling, but I don't know where it's gonna go. And welcome to today's high-low edit guessing game. This one's your high and this one's your low. Today's game, we've picked out 2 outfits of today's theme. Obviously, those outfits then have different price points, which we will then reveal at the end. And we're gonna try and work against each other to get the point at the end of the round.
This episode is brought to you by Fabulous Bingo. And today's theme is utility, which, do you know what? I actually really enjoyed this one.
I'm excited about this one.
I didn't think I was going to enjoy it, as obviously utility is quite muted, it's quite tonal, but I've actually had a lot of fun with this. So I'm excited to see what you think of my looks.
Yeah.
If you can get it right.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to see yours.
Definitely, I enjoyed this one this week. I found that with my personal style, I love leaning into the capsule wardrobe and slower dressing. And I just loved this utilitarian kind of feel. And we are seeing utilitarian trends all over the catwalk at the moment, filtering in to the high street. Should we get into it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So,
I'm so excited about these outfits. Okay, let me have a look.
So these are my 2 utility inspired outfits. I've obviously stuck with the layering. I've gone for the classic khakis with the camels. And do you know what? I'm actually really happy how these looks have turned out.
Gorgeous.
Do you think, initial reactions, what one you're kind
I'm gonna be honest, I'm really stuck this week because they are very similar. I've actually got some similar outfits as well, but the materials are very similar. This is throwing me off because I feel like this is really, really close. Can I have a feel of the fabric?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so this is really structured, beautiful.
I know this jacket is gorgeous.
So good, and it looks really weighty. Oh my gosh, okay. But this, I feel like feels really good as well. Oh my gosh, okay, hang on, let me feel that. Okay, this is really hard. Normally, I've got a good gut feeling, but I don't know where it's gonna go. So I think I'm gonna go with, this one is higher because of the funnel neck, and I think this one is lower.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't know. I'm unsure. Yes, I think this one's your high and this one's your low.
Okay. I can reveal that
put me out of my misery.
you are wrong.
What?
So this
wrong.
is actually my affordable outfit,
No.
and this is my more luxe outfit. But I can see where you've kind of gone with that because this does look super expensive.
I was full because the jacket I was convinced was high end. It was like super gorgeous. This craftsmanship and the pockets and everything is just so good.
How cool is it?
Amazing.
And you'll never believe where that is from though.
No, where is it?
It's from TU at Sainsbury's.
No
Yeah,
way.
and it's £36.
Oh my God.
Such a steal and a bargain. I'm going to talk you through both outfits. So for my high edit, I have got this like funnel neck jacket and it's the matching trousers, which is the balloon trouser. So even though I probably wouldn't tend to go for a utility trend, I really, really love this as well. And I feel like the jacket as well really ties it together. I've gone for the classic aviator sunny, which is obviously really utility inspired. And then I've got the belt as well, the suede belt. I have also styled this look with a really, really amazing pair of boots, which are an absolute investment buy from Mango. And even though this is my more luxe outfit, I have teamed it with a Primark bag, which is only £12 because I just feel like you can obviously get those affordable pieces on the high street and make them look luxe with a more expensive outfit. And the total of this comes to £551.97. You can wear them all in so many different outfits. You don't obviously have to do the full utility look head to toe. And then for my low outfit, which I also love, this gilet is from TU at Sainsbury's, £36. So I've styled this with a khaki jacket. This is from New Look. And then the gilet on top. I've gone for like a cargo short. Then I've also gone for another Primark bag because, you know, I'm all about affordability. I've styled it with a brown wedge from M&S actually. And I would probably do it with like a khaki sock as well. The total of my low outfit for utility comes to £169.99. Bargain pieces, and like I say, pieces that you can wear over and over again in your wardrobe that you don't necessarily have to wear together. So I think I did pretty well in that, and also you got it wrong.
I know,
so
it's the jacket, it threw me off. It's that 2 jacket, it's amazing.
It's pretty good. So now I'm excited to see your pieces.
Okay, here we go. I feel like the pressure's on. I do feel like our looks this week are very similar in terms of vibes, but let me know your thoughts. Which one is my high and which one is my low?
Okay. I'm loving the double denim, just like another take on the utility trend. Like you don't have to mix it with the khakis.
Yeah.
You love a funnel neck clearly.
Love a funnel neck.
That jacket's gorgeous. The sunnies and the denim. You're obviously, we know you're a massive denim girly.
I do like denim.
It's throwing me off a little bit because I'm like, are these pieces denim investment pieces or are they more affordable? And I do know that you can get those jackets pretty much everywhere on the high street. I might have to like look at the glasses and that might give it away.
Yeah, okay.
So, does it say the brand?
No, that would be cheating, Lara.
I really like these. I am gonna go with, I feel like you've gone for a few more luxe pieces with the denim. I'm gonna go with the denim as your high and the khaki is the low.
Okay, so final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can reveal that you were wrong.
Oh.
So this is actually my high and this is actually my low. So can you believe it? How gorgeous is this?
I really actually like say that you've done the double denim in there to show that you can wear it like that.
Definitely.
But I'm intrigued to see the price point.
Yes.
And how much of a difference there are between these outfits.
We're starting off with my high look. So to start off, this is actually a Karen Millen jacket and it's priced at £83. If you know Karen Millen as well, you know that the quality is amazing. They are a great investment piece to have in your wardrobe. I love the fact that you can obviously cinch it in at the waist or you could have the jacket open, so it's nice to kind of give you that option. I've also paired it with a pair of Karen Millen jeans, so this is kind of like a really dominating Karen Millen look, and the jeans are £89. And the glasses are actually from Jimmy Fairley. I have these and I love them so much. They instantly update any outfit. They are priced at £135. A little bit of an investment piece, but they are so versatile. I've kept it super simple. I've got some Tony Bianco heels. I love the flip-flop vibe. I think it's really cool and chic. And then just a really nice little black bag, just to set the look off. So the total amount of my high edit outfit is £546. Moving on to my low outfit. As you said, I didn't want to just lean into the khaki. I wanted to add double denim, which I think works so well. So the star of the show for me is this Miss Selfridge denim jacket. You can obviously have it closed, but then also wear it open with a tank top underneath. And I've just paired it with this pair of ASOS jeans. It just looks like the wash matches beautifully. Please look at these sandals. They are £26 from New Look and they look so similar to the Tony Bianco ones. For a total of my low edit outfit, it's actually coming to £109.99.
That was slightly lower than mine, so I will give you that.
Yeah,
so let's move on to the scores. We did in fact both lose.
We did in fact lose this time.
But I think that's okay. I think it just shows that the high street are doing utility so well.
So well,
that the
it's
pieces
so hard to tell.
look so luxe and expensive.
And please let us know in the comments which outfit was your favourite or which piece, like me, you're running to the high street to go and purchase.
Yours is the gilet, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. And thank you to Fabulous Bingo for this episode.
Thanks so much for watching this high-low edit guessing game, and don't forget to like and subscribe.